Hey guys, thanks for clicking on the video today. Finally some exciting news about my wheels and tires. I did finally order them from discount on Friday, and they are now officially in. I got a call a couple hours ago. So this is just a quick update letting you know I did order the Method Racing 502s in black with the BF Goodrich KO2s 215/75/15s. And I have an appointment to have those installed on Wednesday because I work a 24-hour shift tomorrow. And this will kind of be the start of a video series about the wheels and tires and kind of trying to answer all those questions that I had for you guys. Are they louder? How's the ride quality? Does it change gas mileage? Stuff like that. So I'm actually getting ready to go out and do some decibel readings as well on the stock wheels and tires. So I have that data for when I get the new ones. And I'm going to try to get some weights as well. As always, thanks for watching. Have a good night.